In this video, we are going to show you how to install TikTok Pixel for Shopify. This is going to be the best and easiest way to do it. Of course, you need to be signed in to your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your account and you are in your admin dashboard here, I want you to look at your left hand side. So here, this is going to be your main menu of your dashboard. I want you to click on apps. So click on this. A pop-up here on top will appear. This is going to be your Shopify apps search bar. And here on the search bar, you need to type in TikTok Pixel. And it's going to load up. There's going to be two options here. You have TikTok and TikTok Pixel. So this is the second option. You want to actually click on this one. A new tab will appear on your browser. And here, this is going to be the Shopify App Store for Pixel. So just like any other app, you want to click on install. A new tab will appear on your browser again. Wait for it to load. And here, another pop-up will appear. This is going to be the last one. You want to click on install one more time, like so. And as you can see, Pixel or TikTok Pixels is now installed on your Shopify page. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.